Yeah guys, today I'll cook some curry turkey wings and dumpling. Yeah, you know like that one I bad. So guess what, more you stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen today. Yeah. Soon be back. Yes people morning today now cook some curry turkey wings. See? Yeah. Curry turkey wings and dumplings. So now we know I go line up some season, I go season up my meat. Yeah, season up my meat. And what me do guys, when me have season my meat, me put some oil. That means that when you put on the pot, you have to put no more oil in it. You understand all these? Yeah. Yeah guys, so that's how me curry. Yeah, now we put a little bit of black pepper. I don't know anything, but not too much black pepper. Just a little bit. Now we put some have some Maggi chicken season. See? Yeah. I'm gonna use some Maggi chicken. So guys, I season it in the pot, then I light the stove and put on it. You understand? I will put like the scallion and my time and I will put the carrot and the Irish as yet. So now I just put in the bag season, put some pepper, scallion and thyme and onion, put on and make it go and cook. Guys, that's just what I want, so just stay tuned. The be about this night kitchen. So this is my chicken season. Everybody know me no like bag season already, but you don't know where thing go. I'm gonna use some hard purpose. Yeah. Hard purpose. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna stir him up. Cut up some pepper and onion and something and put it on here to see what I'm doing. Yeah. Guys, that's it. See that? I never remember to buy no garlic. But you know what? Make this one marinate a liquor. So what I'm gonna do now, I will cut up some scallion and thyme and pepper and onion and put in it so you don't know about this one. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I will put in some scallion and onion and pepper. Yeah. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir up this, light up the stove and put it on. Don't know anything about this. You see that? I now put in the carrot and my Irish yet until the turkey cooks. Because you don't know turkey meat kind of stuff already. You understand all this? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to light this stove. I already put my oil. I don't need a lot of oil. I'm going to put a little more oil, but I don't already yet. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to light the stove, put on it and make it go and cook. Don't know about this already. Yeah. So guys, as I say, curry turkey wings and dumpling. So guys, stay tuned. Soon be back. Yeah guys. So I'm going over here for yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and peel up my Irish. Make this one brown liquor. You understand? I don't put too much fire under it. I turn up the stove a little more. Yeah, so I'm going to make it go and catch your color. Guys, what's going on in the kitchen today? Be a badness. I'm going to cut up my carrots and my Irish for me turkey. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going, guys. Yeah, guys, so now I'm going to cut up my Irish and my carrots. Pick up my Irish and carrots. Yeah, guys, now clean up my Irish then. Yo guys, so my carrot and me Irish this finish cut them up. Don't know anything go on. See the meat in the pot there go on cook up, you understand all these. So guys, stay tuned and watch what go on in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah guys, take a look what go on in the pot. That be a badness. Yeah, be a badness today. Be a badness guys. You see that? Be a badness guy, curry turkey. Curry turkey wings and dumpling. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour some water for my meat. Yeah. turkey and dumpling today. Turkey meat tough, so I will put 3 cups of water. And the 3 cups of water I'm gonna cook it. Yeah guys, so I don't know about this already. Make that one cook down. When the turkey cook, I put in the carrot and the Irish. Then I put in them now. And when we go put in them now, it have a mash out. You understand what I mean? So when the meat cook, we put in the carrot and the Irish. Yeah guys, so watch what going in the kitchen. For the finishing look, and my curry chicken, my curry turkey and dumpling. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I cut up some more scallion and thyme, not thyme, scallion and onion and pepper. So when I put in the Irish and the carrot, I just put them in one time. Yeah, so I'm going over here, so yeah guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look. Be a badness. Wow, we cook soft. Fire turkey meat soft one. Well guys, making go and cook some more. Yeah. Making go and cook them some more. And then the put in me Marisha ground season, Irish my carrots, and my scallion and my thyme, my onion and pepper. Yeah guys, so I don't know about this already. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in the Irish, the carrot, and the rest of ground season. Yeah, so guys, I wanna have a body meat cook already, watch it. You see that? Turkey, watch it. Meat cook already. They know say turkey are easy to cook, so. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in the rest of season, the ground season. Guys, I may have a piece of rosemary. See it? Rosemary, yeah. A piece of rosemary when I go bad. You know, I'm Irish, they mash out. You understand what I mean? Yeah, I'm a carrot. So guys, I make that one cook now. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Curry turkey wings and dumpling. Yeah guys. So make that one cook, you know. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to knead up my flour and make you see what I'm going. Yeah. I'm going in the pot, you see that? So pretty? Yeah. Don't know things set up. So guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look when you're in the plate. Yeah. Guys, what y'all going over here so now? So I'm going in the pot. Yeah. Guys, you see since I come out of the pot, I'm not lie to tell you. Me only sorry. You can't see me literally the camera as God. I'm not lie to tell you. Yeah guys, so I'm going to lock off me turkey pot now, so you don't know the thing set up. I go knead up my flour and make you see what I go on. You understand what I did, yeah. So soon be back. Yeah guys, so I take off my turkey. You understand, I did put on my flour, you know, I don't know whole heap of flour, so just put on the liquor pot. You understand, I did, yeah. And see my turkey. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, be a badness in our kitchen today. Yeah guys, so see my flour here. So soon from now, I go put in a pot and make you see what I go on. Yeah. Yeah guys, so see my flour boil eh. Yeah. Yeah guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Yeah. Guys, look at this. Yeah. You don't go want the flour in a plate now. Be a madness. Guys, watch what I go on. Flour soon can't come out of pot, so you go see everything in a plate. So guys, when you like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. As a video drop, you can have it. Yeah, and drop a comment. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look on my curry turkey and dumpling. Yes guys, so stay tuned. See you next video. Yeah, I'm out.